Hi everyone. So today we'll be going through Etsy, which is a online shopping platform. So first of all, what is Etsy? Etsy is an online retailer dedicated to selling handcrafted goods and vintage or antique items. Etsy's slogan is "Keep Commerce Human," and sellers on the site are mostly individual craftspeople or small businesses. The Etsy mission statement is: in a time of increasing automation, it's our mission to keep human connection at the heart of commerce. That's why we built a place where creativity lives and thrives because it's powered by people. We help our community of sellers turn their ideas into successful businesses. Our platform connects them with millions of buyers looking for an alternative, something special with a human touch, for those moments in life that deserve imagination. So then we'll be talking about why shop on Etsy over other e-commerce sites. So some reasons of choosing Etsy's are: first, Etsy gives shoppers a unique online shopping experience. All Etsy sellers either need to be selling items they crafted themselves or vintage or antique goods that require to be at least 20 years old to be sold on the site. Some other reasons include you're supporting small business owners and craftspeople, not just big corporations. And you can find one of the kind and customizable handcrafted goods. And you can also shop from sellers across the world like a global marketplace. So, what are the things that you could buy on Etsy? A lot of things that are sold on Etsy, but some of the most popular categories on Etsy are: first, art, then we have crafts and crafting supplies, jewelry, paper goods, home decor and furniture, handmade personal care items, clothing and accessories, as well as party decor. So, can you sell on Etsy? The answer is yes. Anyone can sell on Etsy. And there are three categories. First, there is the handmade category, which means the items you're selling must be made by yourself or include the maker in your store's About page. The second category is the vintage, which must be at least 20 years old. And the third category is craft supplies. And though setting up your shop is free, Etsy collects a 5% transaction fee on all sales made through the site. So now we'll be going through how to sign up for Etsy as signing up for a buyer account. To sign up for Etsy, start by going to www.etsy.com, which is their official purchase website. From the main page, click the Sign In button in the right hand corner, and next click Register on the Sign In page. Then just provide your email address and your first name. Then you need to create your password, then click Register. Once you register, an email will be sent to your email asking you to confirm your email address. In the email, just click Confirm Account and your account will be set up. So now we'll be talking about how to sign up for Etsy as a seller account. Please note that you will need a regular Etsy account to sign up as a seller, so make sure that you do that first. And the regular Etsy account is just referring to a regular buyer account. So to create a seller account on Etsy, start by going to www.etsy.com/sell. And to start setting up your account, click Open Your Etsy Shop. Next, sign into your pre-existing Etsy account, which is the buyer account. Then set up your shop preferences, which here it will ask you the shop language, the shop country, the shop currency, as well as which statement best describe you. And next, you will be able to name your shop. And then you can add items to your shop. Finally, set up payment method and billing for your shop, and then you're ready to start selling. Of course, you will want to add more details to your shop as you go along and play around with the site to get the hang of what the best practices are for selling on the site. So, for the sales tax on Etsy, depending on the state the item is being sold to, sales tax applied will either be origin or destination based. The ruling on this varies from state to state, so it is important to be familiar with the rules in your location. Many places are transitioning to destination based taxation to collect on the online purchases of their residents. Thankfully, Etsy has a built in system that will calculate and charge approximate sales tax depending on the location of the buyer or the seller. Okay, so that's it for the presentation, and now we will be going to the live demo. There. So first, you will be able to search up just Etsy, and the website saying www.etsy.com is the one we're looking for. And now on the right top corner here, you see a sign in. You click on the sign in, you will be able to sign into the your existing account. So okay, there. So you have signed into your account, and once you're in your account, you can search up for any things that you would like to purchase. So, for example, we will be using face masks as an example, and you will see some notes regarding to your items if there are specific notes from Etsy. And here you will be able to browse the items based on your search results. And at the left top corner above all the items, you will be able to find this all filters. And here you can select whether the special offers, the shipping date, and the price range, as well as more options that suit your um, personal decisions. So, for example, here, let's say we want to find an item that has free delivery. So you just select that and you press apply here. Then now all the results you see here will be all free delivery. And if you would like to purchase an item, so for example, this one, here you can select a color. If it is sold out, you will also be able to find it here. And if the seller offers a waiting list, they will also show it here. So you can select any color, and the color, if you see some options like numbers, they are typically numbered in the description pictures, which is the left column. You will be able to browse through the pictures and to see which number matches the which one. And then as you select any color, you will be able to select the quantity that you would like to order. And then after you have selected the one you want, you can either add it to basket or buy it now, which if you press buy now, it will ask you to proceed to checkout immediately. And if you're still looking and browsing through other um, items, you're not sure if you would like to buy this one specifically, you can always put it to the add it to the favorite list by clicking the right heart on the right top corner in order to add it to the favorite list. And then you will be able to find everything you added to the favorite list here above. And here you will see the ones you just added. Um, so then we will be going to the account part. In your account, um, so what we talked about earlier, if you would like to become a seller on Etsy, here is the sell on Etsy that you could click on. And then you you scroll down, you will be able to see open your Etsy shop, as well as you could find more information regarding to selling on Etsy, the rules, and um, the event here. Then if you would like to open your Etsy shop, you can just click on this button, and then it will be how we just went through in the presentation. You can select the shop language, the shop country, the shop currency, as well as if you're selling as part-time job or full-time job. In addition to your account settings, you can also redeem gift card. If you have redeemed gift card code, then here you will see that you have the gift card balance, and then you can just pay with your gift card balance. And if you go into your account settings, you can also set the preferences as to the currency shown on this website, so you don't have to calculate the currency yourself. Um, for the items you're purchasing, you are also able to see the how many stars other buyers have rated, and under the reviews, you can just go into the reviews either by scrolling down or just click on the stars. It will bring to the reviews page, and then you can see other people's reviews regarding to the items. And as well, if you scroll down the page, you can see some highlights that that the seller has noted. For example, this one is handmade, um, so it will be noted here, and there will be a description. In the description section, the seller will typically talk about the specific features of the item, some instructions, as well as the delivery date. And you can look down to see all the descriptions. And after the description section, it will be the delivery and return policies. So because earlier we selected free delivery, here it was saying that cost to deliver is free. And then it will note how many business days it required to dispatch, if it accepts returns and exchanges, and then just deliver to whichever address. And you will be also able to see the frequently asked questions to see the seller's answer regarding these questions. And lastly, if you find that you really like the items from the seller and you like to know more from the seller, you can find it here, and this is the shop. You can click into the shop to see more items that's being sold by this seller. So that's pretty much it for today's live demo.